Hi, I'm Miss Karen from the Bridgeville Public Library. This week on our felt board fun video, we're going to be sharing the rhyme Hey Diddle Diddle. And this is an opportunity to help build your child's vocabulary through nursery rhymes. The Hey Diddle Diddle, the cat, and the fiddle. The fiddle is a word that your child might not have heard in everyday conversation. And it's an opportunity to talk about what a fiddle is. You can explain to them that it's another name for the word violin, and you can talk about the instrument. You can show them what it looks like. Maybe you can find a music clip so they can hear what a violin or what a fiddle sounds like. Maybe you can find a book with a fiddle or a violin in it. Two great books are Zin, 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 a Violin, and also the book Because by Mo Willems has a lot of great orchestra instruments in it also. And the more words that your child knows when they're ready to learn how to read, it will help make it easier for them. Because if they already know the words or are familiar with them, then it will be easier for them to sound them out, and it will also help them to understand or to comprehend what they're reading. So the more words that you can introduce to your child, the better and the easier it will be to help them to learn how to read. So I'm going to show you with my pizza box felt board my nursery rhyme pieces for Hey Diddle Diddle. And these pieces are all from a pattern from Grandma's Little Shop on Etsy. They're very cute little pieces. We have Hey Diddle Diddle, the cat, and the fiddle. We have the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport. And the dish ran away with the spoon. So next I'm going to show you how I made the felt pieces. Okay, so for assembling the felt pieces, first we have the cat and the fiddle. And I have my cat and fiddle here, and I just have a little head that I'm gonna glue on top of it. That will help hold the fiddle in place, and that way the cat is holding the fiddle under his chin also. So there's my cat and my fiddle. Then we have the cow who jumped over the moon, and I have the cow's body assembled. I'm just gonna glue the cow's head on right there. Little Holstein cow there, black and white. And there's the cow. We have our moon. And we have the little dog who laughed to see such sports. And we glued on his ears, and then I just glued the face on there. He has a nose and his little tongue hanging out. And I don't have eyes on my felt pieces, but if you make them at home, if you would like to add eyes, you can. You can draw them on with a little Sharpie marker. And the dish, we have the dish here. I glued on the legs and one arm. And then I have the outer rim of the dish. Then I'm just going to glue on there. We have his other arm. And the dish ran away with the spoon. So those are the felt pieces that you need for this week's rhyme, Hey Diddle Diddle. And again, we did get the patterns for our felt pieces for our set of Hey Diddle Diddle from Grandma's Little Shop on Etsy. She has some really cute felt piece patterns there. We hope you enjoyed Hey Diddle Diddle, and next week we'll be sharing the rhyme 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Bye!